Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to access the script editor on Google Sheets. If you've ever wanted to automate tasks, create custom functions, or just take your spreadsheets to the next level, knowing how to get to the script editor is step one. By the end of this video, you'll know how to open up the editor, remove any default code, write your own script, save your project, and run it all from within Google Sheets. Don't worry if you're new to this, I'll guide you through each part nice and easy. Let's get right into it. First off, make sure you've got your Google Sheet open. Any sheet will do, whether it's a current project or just a blank document for practice. At the top menu, look for the tab labeled Extensions. You'll find it near the right side of the toolbar, right beside Tools. Go ahead and click Extensions. This is your gateway to adding extra power or features to your sheet. When you open up the Extensions menu, you'll see a few different items, but what you're looking for here is called App Script. Click on that option. The first time you do this, it might feel like you're stepping into a secret backroom of Google Sheets, but don't worry, it's designed for users of all levels. Once you click App Script, a new browser tab will pop open. This is the Google App Script Editor, which is where all your custom code magic happens. Now when the script editor first loads up, you'll notice there's already some sample code in there, usually something like function my function. Think of this as a placeholder, kind of like a blank template you see in arts and crafts. Before you add your own code, it's a great idea to clear this out so you're starting with a clean slate. Just highlight what's already in the code window and delete it. Don't worry, removing this default code won't harm anything. Ready for the fun part? This is where you get to add your own script. Maybe you've written a custom function or you found a useful snippet online for automating your spreadsheet. Paste or type your code right into the now empty editor window. If you're just testing things out, you could start with something simple, like a function that shows a pop-up message. The key here is to make sure the code in the window does exactly what you want your sheet to do. Once you've added your code, take a breath for a moment. It's always good to double-check for typos or errors. When everything looks good, head to the top of the script editor window and find the Save Project button. It's usually represented by a little floppy disk icon, or you'll see Save at the top left. Clicking this will save all your changes and create a project name if it's your first script. If you want, you can even rename your project to something meaningful to you, like Budget Automation Script or Attendance Checker. Now, right next to the Save button, you'll find the Run button. It looks like a little triangle, much like the play button you'd see on a video. This is how you test your script to make sure it works. Go ahead and click Run. You might be asked to provide permission the first time. That's normal, since Google wants to make sure you're okay with running scripts in your sheet. Follow the prompts and in no time your script will execute. Maybe it'll pop up a message, maybe it'll reformat some data. You'll see the results right away. And that's it, you've gone from opening Google Sheets all the way to running your own custom script. Wasn't too bad, was it? If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you ran into any issues or have questions about specific scripts. Don't forget to subscribe so you'll never miss another Google Sheets tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.